up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us, and we just chillin'.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do it. Please, before you leave, make sure you go and hit the subscribe button, and as well hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. And don't forget to hit the like button as well. Thank you. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be coming at you with this kind of super dramatic glitter eye makeup look. I'm super loving the way it turned out to. Bear in mind guys, this is the second time I'm filming this tutorial. I decided just to switch the color around a little bit because the first color I was a little bit disappointed. Let me quickly show you the palette I used to achieve this look. The palette that got your baby girl upset, like seriously. This is a not Catrice, I wanted to say Catrice, is the Essence Wish Side palette. This is how it looks like. Super beautiful palette, and as well affordable. So yeah, let me open the palette and show you how inside look like. I've been fighting with this palette for 2 tutorial right now. I'm happy that the second chance that I gave this palette, that it turned out perfectly. Disappointed because the look I created, it was super bomb ass. I did one eye off camera, it was perfect, but I decided to do the next eye on camera. It messed my whole life up, like seriously. So I just had to not to post the tutorial. I wanted to post it, but I will not post a tutorial which doesn't make any sense. All the same, I want just to tell you, I can recommend this palette to you. Super beautiful and well constructed. Just that one shade was not, which is this color right here, and it's called Gloomy, and Gloomy, so it's not really something that you would joke with. You must be good when it comes to eyeshadow, but I don't know what happened. Maybe I'm going to leave a clip, or I just let it lie low. But other than that, it's a very beautiful palette. I love the packaging. It has a super huge mirror when you want to apply your lashes. You had no problem. And I also love the packaging. Like I said, I love the fact that it has this kind of mercury, different kind of manipulation going on at the front, as you can see, and super large, super large. All the same, I'm loving this palette. First impression, I was a little bit disappointed. Other than that, we are Gucci, we got no problem. If you want to see how I got this look, you already know what to do. Please just stick around and enjoy. And please don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any makeup requests, please feel free and leave me on the comment section below. I'll be glad to read all your wonderful uplifting comments. With that being said, like I said, if you want to see how I achieve this eye look, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. All right, no long talking. I hope you guys are staying safe, you are well, you are taking care of yourself, and you are doing other things despite you have to be indoors 24/7. Just take care of yourself and reflect to the things that you know you couldn't reflect on when you was busy. Now I believe most of you have a lot of time. Just do what makes you happy. As always, I always say, do what makes you happy, and stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care, love, ciao. Mwah. Hey guys, what's up? So to start up, I'm just going to go straight ahead and prime my eye. To primer, I'm going to be taking the L.agirl concealer in the shade Warm Honey on my eye, like so. To be taking this brush by BH Cosmetic, which has no name. I'm just going to go straight ahead and start to blend the concealer all over my eyelid. I already applied setting powder under my eye. So I'm just going to be taking my beauty blender. I'm just going to do extra finish, and at the same time I'm using the rest powder on the product to set my eyelid. I'm going to be giving this Essence Wish Side palettes. Okay, I'm just going to be giving it a second chance. If not, trust your girl, she's going to get rid of it at the snap of your finger. She out of my makeup collection, trust me. All right, so but today I'm going to be doing it a little bit different. At the first tutorial I used this shade right here, or this one, I can't remember, but this blue one right here, no go. I'm going to be taking this Super Natural, this one right here. I'm just going to start to blend my crease. Okay, you This is going to serve as a transition color. It's going to blend with the other eyeshadow I'm going to apply later on. That is the reason why you need a transition color to start up with, okay? You need a foundation to start up with. Other than that, guys, the rest color inside this palette, they are super well workable. You can really work your way out because they are super pigment, and this palette also has huge fallout, and which I'm not mad at all. I can always make my way out, but the dark blue really messed my life up when I did the first tutorial. I was planning posting it, but I just said no, I'm not going to post it because I don't want to ruin someone brand, or I don't just want to create any scene out there, you know. I just want to do my thing. It's a recommendable palette, don't get me wrong, okay, but I will not come and sit here and tell you the palette is super wow, and which is not, all right. But I love the pigment of the matte shade and the shimmer shade, but that dark blue has a little bit of shimmer to it, so that is why everything was super messed up. But we are over it now. We are over it. Just that the look was super bomb ass, you know. The look, she was so cute that I couldn't even believe that it didn't work out. I'm going to be taking this shade called Passion, this one right here. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to dust the excess away because it has fallout. Check the fallout, check the fallout. I'm just going to start blend my crease again. I'm going to be doing more layers. I'm going to start like I start from light to dark. That is the look that I'm going for, okay. It's going to look a little bit similar at the first look. I'm just going to gently blend it towards my brow bone area because I really want it to be super large, smoky. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know how we do it. Shadow. I love eyeshadow so much, especially when the eyeshadow is just plain along. My life is super easy. Like what you tell me, you can tell me nothing. Okay, Slap. This shade right here is called Slap. I'm just going to apply it on top, so that we can have that smokiness going on. Baby girl, bring it in, baby girl, bring it in, baby girl. So as you can see now, I'm just basically applying the darker shade, which is the Slap, into my crease, exactly into my crease. I'm not bringing it above my brow bone area because if not, you will not have super clean brow bone. So I'm just going to do that with extra neutral shade to blend everything into my skin shade right here. This is kind of a light peachy orange situation, so I'm just going to start to blend out the edges, and I'm still going to be using the same color to set my brow bone. Effect going on. You see how that looks still. I'm still in love with this wish side palette. I'm still in love, guys, don't get me wrong. You know, when you have this kind of expectation, when you see any palettes and you get any palette, your expectation is like, wow, is out of this planet, and at the end of the day it messed up. You know how it feels. You know how it feels. So that was what I was feeling. Okay, but still yet I said, no, baby girl, calm down. You need to try this palette again. You need to give it another chance. Okay, everyone deserves a second chance, even third chance. Okay, everyone deserves it. So I said, okay, don't worry, baby girl, you're gonna come to mama to make a tutorial today. She said, yeah. I'm just going to dab. I'm not going to blend. I'm just going to kind of, you know, leave it there. I'm just going to dab, you know. I still want that. You understand what I mean? You feel me? You feel me, baby girls? I just want that effect of that blue, guys. Oh my days. Oh my days, guys. I'm going to be doing a half cut crease, all right? So I'm still going to apply a little bit of setting powder right there so we don't have any black eyeshadow on under our eye. So as you can see, the brush I'm using, this is how it looks like. It's kind of scothy, edgy. It's not so straight. Perfect for this look. I'm just going to apply that on my crease, on my lid. As you can see, it has this kind of metallic effect to it. So I'm just going, this is how it looks like. I'm just going to apply that on my lid. So yeah. What do you guys think? It's cute, right? But don't worry, we are going to make it juicy, okay? Brush, I'm going to be taking this shade called Wish, this one right here. I'm just going to set my brow bone with that. I know I have blended my crease, but my brow bone, but I still want to set it once again. I'm going to be taking this Catrice smoky eye pencil in dark blue. I'm just going to line my waterline with that. To be taking the Maybelline Gel Eye Studio. I'm just going to line my inner corner to the end of the place I apply the eyeshadow. This Rita Thick brush, I'm taking that shade called Slap. I'm just going to apply that on my lower lash line. Drama, you know your baby girl, she's a drama queen when it comes to makeup, okay? Anyway, I'm going to be taking this glitter primer by NYX. I'm taking this random glitter by Amazon. Random glitter, like I'm sorry, it's not a random glitter, it's a chunky glitter, okay? It's a little bit chunkier than the normal glitter. Thank you. The primer glitter like so, and then go ahead and apply it at the back of my hand with my concealer brush. Highest point of our lid, just right there, just like so. Beautiful. Yeah, baby girl is popping, lashes is blowing the wind. While my lashes is getting tacky, I'm going to be taking the Judith Williams Long Lasting Mascara. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to be taking this shade called Enchanter, this one right here. Guys, to line my lips, I'm going to be using this Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner. So for lip, I'm going to be taking this Loreal Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. So this is the name of the lipstick, okay? The name of the lipstick. If you have foresight, you can read it properly. I need a glass, okay? A matte, or should I gloss it up a little bit? What do you guys think? Right? No, baby girl, you're not done. I'm going to gloss it up. I'm going to be taking this NYX Butter Gloss. This one is in Stubborn Ox. Much. I don't need much. Yeah, I just want a little bit of shine, okay? And I'm having it right now.
And the tides will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in, we